This is why you need YouTube's new upgrade for Android TV. Say goodbye to clunky account switching. YouTube for Android TV just got a major upgrade. Now, switching accounts is a breeze, just like on Netflix. No more navigating through endless menus or worrying about your Google account privacy. When you open the YouTube app, you'll see a prompt to choose your account. With just one click, you're in. This means less time fiddling with settings and more time enjoying your favorite videos. And guess what? This new feature also keeps your account secure. You no longer have to log into your Google account system-wide, reducing the risk of security breaches. So, next time you want to switch from your account to your siblings or vice versa, it's as easy as pie. YouTube's new account switcher on Android TV is here to make your life simpler and safer. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Happy watching!